Come on. He's stuck.
Ash, you in the shower? Ashley, what the hell are you doing, dude? Ash! Ashley! Ashley, what are you doing? Why are you have all your clothes on? Babe, Ashley. Ash. Hey, what's wrong? Are you okay? Ash. Stop. Ashley. Ash, what is wrong? What's wrong, baby? Come here. Come here. Come on, get out of here. Come talk to me. Come on, stand.
Your haircut, G!
Oh, you.
Where are you going? Hey. Daddy. What's the matter?
You can stop the video.
Babe? What are you doing? Baby, hey. What are you doing?
Just let me cry.
Why are you crying? Hey. Baby. Oh my goodness. Hey, look at me. What's wrong? Why are you in the shower? Baby, come here. What are you doing? What's wrong, mommy? Why are you laughing? Real nice.
Why didn't you ask why I had my clothes on?
Well, clearly something was wrong. You're sitting on the floor of the shower crying.
With my clothes on?
Well, yeah, that makes it worse, but it's like, clearly something's already wrong. The last thing I'm worried about is your clothes.
This feels so weird.
Dad? Mommy, okay?
What are you doing?
Are you okay?
Okay?
What's wrong? What's wrong, Daddy?
I'm doing this exact bullshit.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Love you. Go pee, Brennan.
I already went, Mom.
The video.
Baby.
What's wrong? Baby, what's wrong? What's wrong? Talk to me, baby. You know I'm here for you, right?
I don't know.
What's wrong, baby? Talk to me.
A lot of stuff.
Are you sure? Tell me. You okay?
No.
You want me to go get you? You want me to go get you ice cream or something? Want me to go get you some food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come on.